welcome back to the channel. So today I have this unit from LucyHairWig, and this is another synthetic unit. Obviously, I'm not even sure if they have human hair ones, but they did send over this maroon kind of wig, 99J. I think that's kind of like the same color, but this is a frontal wig from their company. It says on Amazon that this color is a wine red color, and I did order this on the 23rd, and it took about 2 days for me to get it. The price of this unit is $31.99, and as you guys are going to see in the footage, it is 2 combs and adjustable straps. No, it's 3 and adjustable straps. It is the soft ear-to-ear lace, and it also doesn't have a comb in the back. I didn't really like that much, but no, there's no comb in the back. So if you love combs in the back, you're probably gonna have to sew it on, which you can just buy from your local beauty supply. But lengthwise, this unit is about 24 inches. It is that fine texture. It does have some luster, so dry shampoo is going to be needed if you do get this wig. And also, parting isn't really long, but you can kind of finesse it with some makeup, as you guys are going to see that I'm going to do, like I always do with all of my kind of short parted wigs. But it is big head friendly because I did actually tighten this, so if you got a big head, don't worry, you will be able to wear this. And also, the density I'd say feels like 180. The ends, they're silkier when you flat iron them. Now I did flat iron this at about 360, so it was safe, but running the flat iron changed the texture, and I like it more now that I like flat iron it. So if you guys want it to be more silky and manageable, I would say to run your flat iron over it. And also, plucking was really hard because this wig is thick and it's synthetic. So as I'm plucking the hair, it's like gnat balls forming, and I didn't pull the hair out quick enough, so it just was a lot of knots that I had to like comb out. So that wasn't fun. I don't recommend plucking it unless it's like light plucking, but even with me plucking it, I don't really see that much of a difference. I don't know, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't want to talk too long. Shipping, if I didn't say this, shipping took 2 days with Amazon Prime, so I do encourage to have Amazon Prime. Went over density, luster, texture, length. Yeah, so that's basically all you guys need to know. This wig will be in the description for anyone who wants to purchase, but I'm not gonna keep talking. Let's just hop into this tutorial, and I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video.